I'm going to show you the groups and the difference between groups and component. So the thing that I'm going to do is to create a rectangle here, like this, and I'm going to take the push-pull tool and to add something like that. Now, for example, this element, I can select to create a group. What is the interest to create group is that after you can scale your entity, after it is like an entity, but you have small difference with the component. So it means that you can see here, I can just select a segment or just a face. If I want to create a full selection, I'm going to create a rectangle selection tool. And after with this, I can go right click and to select make group, like that. And now you can see that this part is a group. Already you can see the difference that when you make groups, you don't need to change the name of the group. And at the difference with the component is that you can't see the group here. Here you can just see component, but group is different, so you won't see groups here. So the aim is just to have an entity. And here you can see if I use select tool, now I can just click once and I have a group like this. I can directly select all the entity like that. And the interest is that, for example, I can take the scale tool and after I can directly change the size easily on the group. Like that. Now, for example, I can duplicate this group. So I'm going to take the move tool and control on the keyboard and I'm going to duplicate this. And same work at this level, origin of group, control, and I can duplicate this. Now I'm going to do the same work on the right, but with component. So I'm going to create rectangle like this, then push-pull tool, like that. The thing that I'm going to do is to create a selection, right-click, and make component, like this. I'm going just to type component 1, create, like that. And I'm going to duplicate this component. So control, like this, and then control also and like this. So you can see that on the left I have group, on the right I have component. If you double click on group, you can edit your group. If you double click on component, you can edit your component like this. It is the same way. The difference is that if you apply something to a group, you are going to apply this only on your entity. If you apply, for example, a color on a component, you are going to apply this on all the components. I'm going to show you. I take the material tool and I'm going to select a red color. First, I'm going, for example, to go and to edit this group. And I take the red color like this. And you can see that I apply this, the red color, only on this entity, even if I duplicated twice. Now if I go on the component, double click to edit this component, and I'm going to select, for example, blue color. And if I apply this blue color here, you can see that I apply this in the two components that I had duplicated, like that. So here is the difference between group and component. With a group, you are going to apply, for example, a modification only on the entity, and in the component in the all the entity. And for example, I can take the circle tool here, and I can double click to edit this group. And if, for example, I create a circle like this, and I take push-pull tool, I'm going to apply this only on this part, like that. If now I go on the component on the right, I'm going to do the same work, so double click here, and I take the circle tool, like that, and you can see that I add circle in all the components, like this, like that. So here's the difference between group and component.